Hello there. Today we are going to see how to mass delete and bulk delete items in WordPress. It can be media, it can be posts, it can be pages. So go to the one that you want to mass delete it. For example, I went to media, and after that I should make it this view and not this one. I want to make it this one. And after that, as you can see, I have 225 items. It's hard to delete them one by one. So what I do is go to screen options. And after that, I'm gonna type the number of the items that I have. 225 I have. Apply. And after that, select this one, close to file, and then delete permanently. This way you will delete all of your files. As you can see, it deleted. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this.